friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. I thought to myself, this video must be made talking about curbside paper deals this week over at Walgreens for $2.40. And if you're not familiar, we have a 9 count of the toilet paper and a 6 count of the paper towel. I think it's very, very comparable to like the Angel Soft brand, although it's the Walgreens knockoff. But I still think it's a really fantastic type of paper. And for $2.40, that is a steal. So we're going to be doing this as a curbside pickup, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, driving to the store and picking up your order at the photo counter. And that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup, as we can stack coupon codes with. That's why it's a bit advantageous to do it this way. Now, if you are a shopper that's like, hey, I'm all stocked up on the paper, I would recommend that you watch yesterday's video. Lots of cheapies, freebies, great little offers. And even if you don't want to shop this week, we have a ton of digital coupons that you should be loading to partake in deals next week. So go and check out this video. I will link it at the very end. So for the first deal that we're looking at, deal number 1, you need your best friend, which is the 6 back when you spend $30. This specific booster. Now, if you already spent it earlier this week, sorry, Charlie, you're out of luck. You can only use this digital booster once per store card. Not negotiable. Okay, so for this basket, we're throwing in 10 paper products because they're on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. And if you look at the square footage of these paper products, this is a pretty good roll. We have a lot of pets. We're going through so much paper towel, older pets too. So 20 for the first, the second one is going to be $7.50, and I got a mix and match of toilet paper and paper towel. If you wanted to go heavier with the toilet paper, or if you wanted to go heavier with the paper towel, try. I think most stores will allow you, I think it's like 6 plus around here. Maybe it's different where you live. So where you are checking out, you can put a promotion code in, go with the code pick up 15. See where it says promotion code and coupons? That's where you'll type it in. $5.65 melting off. Amazing. Okay, so for the 10 units of paper, it's $37.50. With the code pickup15, we have $5.65 melting off. Now, if you look at the sum at the top, subtracting the promotion code, we're still at $31.85, guys. So we are still at the threshold of spend 30, get back 6. Yes, we will achieve that even though we're using a promotion code. Curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax. I know there's like 5 states where there is no tax, so that's the states that we're factoring this in on for the final price point. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $33.76. And then you're getting back $7.85, which is basically like almost $8. So it drops it down to basically $24 for the 10 or $2.40 per unit, which is a very good price point. These are beefy rolls. They're not chintzy. And if you have a lot of animals and you're cleaning a lot of like hairballs and gross stuff or little accidents on the carpet, these rolls go a really long way. So I definitely probably doing this deal myself because I am really short on paper towel. It's embarrassing to even admit that. Now, if you already used your booster, here's an alternative deal. Thinking outside of the box for another deal. Put 3 of these paper products, and yes, you can mix and match however you wish to do it. $12.50 for 3, and you can get 3 paper towels. You can do a mix and match, whatever you want. I probably would go nothing but paper towels. Now for this one, you can only use the code WAG10 as you are not at the threshold to use the other promotional code, but still $1.25 of savings. That's why it's better to do it as a curbside, because you get that in store. You will not. So $12.50 subtracting the $1.25 free and tax for a total of $11.93, as you are not using a booster. And what is the booster? Is that goofy 6 back when you spend 30? Yes, you can use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it. Pay the $1.93 and call this a very good deal. If you have the $10, if you don't, it would be $11.93 for the 3. It basically shakes it out to $3.75 per paper product. Obviously, the other deal is a little bit better, but this one isn't too bad. Now, alternatively, if you're not about paper this week, you're all stocked up, check out the curbside video right here for more amazing deals over at Walgreens this week. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.